I'm Daniel Peddle, and I'm the casting director for CNC, and we're here back in Milan, just off of finishing the women's shows in New York, and to put together the casting for CNC. And basically the process starts with model cards. This box, as you can see, they're filled with model cards. The images, we pick which models we want to meet in person. And then we meet around maybe 200-300 girls. Most of the girls we've already met in New York, so we already know them by the time we arrive here. And when they come in, we just immediately try to see if they have some style and some presence about them, a certain modernity about them that makes them fresh and something that women can aspire to be like. We look for healthy girls, a little edgy, a little quirky, attractive but not perfect, and we want them to have a really strong walk, but not something that they have to try hard at. It should just be something natural. We try to make sure it's the kind of woman that if you saw them on the street, you may turn your head and look at them again.
Perfect, thank you.
Well, every designer has a different aesthetic and a different vision that they're trying to present. So part of our job is to sort of get inside the designer's head and try to figure out what it is that they are wanting to project through their clothes. So with Ennio, I think it's he likes them to have a little bit of a rocker sort of feeling to them. Also, it's very important that they're healthy. We like a multicultural cast. We want them to look very modern and fresh, and yeah, just, you know, the costume aesthetic. It's very chic, but it's not up there. It's something that everyone can obtain.